Heating up. Unpacking the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, news, or sports commentary: heating up. Whether it's a basketball game, a debate, or the weather, this phrase adds spice to the language. Let's unpack its meanings and use it correctly in different contexts. Heating up can be taken literally, where it refers to the increase in temperature. It could be your coffee in the microwave, a pot on the stove, or the earth on a hot day. When the temperature rises, things are heating up. Example: the soup is heating up. It will be ready to serve in a few minutes. In a figurative sense, heating up is a metaphorical way to describe a situation that's becoming more intense, exciting, or competitive. It's often used when talking about sports, business, or personal challenges. Example: sports. The game is heating up as the teams are now tied with only minutes left on the clock. Example: business. The competition among tech companies is really heating up this year. Example: discussion. The debate heated up when both sides started to disagree. The phrase, heating up, is also part of some idiomatic expressions where it isn't just about temperature or competition but implies that things are getting more intense in a broader sense. Example: the race for the presidential election is heating up, with candidates intensifying their campaigns. Understanding how to use heating up in daily conversation can help you sound more like a native speaker. Here's how you can incorporate it. Talk about weather. It's really heating up outside. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Discuss plans. Our product launch is heating up, and we've got tons of media coverage coming in. I hope this explanation clears up how heating up works both literally and figuratively in English. Remember, the key to mastering a language is practice, so try using heating up in a sentence today. Until our next video, keep learning, and I'm sure your English skills will also start heating up.